Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happiest birthday to our slayable and glowing Tita.
Ako, Ti. Happiest birthday. Ako, Ti. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and sana mas lalo pang maging successful ka in the future. Kasi lagi ka lang maging masaya sa lahat ng gagawin mo. Make sure na lahat ng decision mo is with your heart lagi. Lagi yun. Okay. I love you. We love you. 1, 2, 3.
We love you.
Happy birthday.
And we miss
you.
Bye-bye.
Happy 50th birthday, Sis Irma! Ang wish namin sa'yo, may your special day be filled with so much love, joy, and all the blessings, and many more blessings to come. And also, your love and relationship to David continue to be strong and happy together. Stay healthy and enjoy your special day. Sis, thank you so much. We love you. Again, happy birthday. Love you, sis.
Hello ako, Ti Irma. Happy birthday.
Hello, Tirma. Happy birthday. Stay young, happy, healthy, and gorgeous.
Ingat ka dyan palagi. Again, happy 50th birthday. See you soon.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Nina Irma. Happy birthday to you.
Hi, happy birthday. I hope you enjoy your day.
We wish you more birthdays to come and stay healthy as always. I hope all of your wishes come true. May God bless you.
We love you. Bye.
Happy 50th birthday!
Hi, ako, Te. Sana okay ka dyan. Ang wish ko sa'yo, unang-una, laging healthy. At sana lahat ng iyong hangarin at wish sa buhay ay matupad mo. At lagi kang mag-iingat. At sana'y magkasama-sama ulit tayo ng kompleto at maging maayos ang iyong kalagayan diyan. Happy 50th birthday!
Irma, happy birthday sa'yo. Lagi kang mag-iingat diyan. Lalo na ingatan mo ang iyong kalusugan. Yun lang. Basta enjoy.
Happy birthday, Mama Irma. I love you so much. I miss you and looking forward to seeing you again someday. Again, we love you.
We love you.
We love you. We love you.
Bye, sis. Ingat, we love you. Go. Happy birthday, Irma. The Lord bless you.
God bless you and
And
you.
and make His face shine upon you. Yes, happy birthday, Lips. Yes, bye-bye. Ingat lagi yan. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Irma. Sana lagi kang malakas ang 50th birthday mo na. Kaya arahan mo na ang tama at mali. Happy birthday. At sana maging maayos sa kalagayan niyo dyan sa Canada. At sa inyong pagsasama ni David, sana kayo ay bigyan ng malalakas sa katawan at mahabang buhay. Again, happy birthday and many more birthdays. Love you.
Hello, Hipag. Happy birthday. At palagi ka nawang ligtas at malusog. Palaging makinig sa sermon ng iyong mga kapatid at mga hipags. Mahal ka namin at palagi mong pipiliin ang tama. Sandaling sakit ng disiplina ay habang buhay na ligaya. Happy 50th birthday!
lagi ka nawang ligtas at laging maging masunurin. Huwag magdadamdam. Maraming salamat sa presence at kasayahang dulot mo sa pamilya. Thank you, Hips! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Irma. Yan yan.
Paborito ko. Hindi pa kanina ng iba. Pero happy birthday na eh. Sana'y sabi na uwi. Maalala mo naman namin.
Happy birthday.
Irma, happy birthday. Happy golden birthday to such an amazing person. Wish you all the happiness, all the blessing, more blessings for you, for your family. You deserve everything. Your strong personality is very admirable. You have a responsible kids. You have a very loving family, supportive family. You deserve everything, all the happiness. And happy birthday. Enjoy your special day. This day is for you, another milestone to celebrate. Always be safe and happy. Happy birthday again. Enjoy your day.
Hi, Miss Gorgeous Irma. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. At ingat ka lagi kung sa iyong trabaho, sa Canada. Enjoy mo lang ang buhay mo. Alam ko naman na masaya ka. Even though malayo ka dito sa mga anak mo, ay kaya mo ginagawa yan para sa kanila. Kaya enjoy mo lang ang buhay. Sundin kung ano ang gusto ng puso. Dahil yan ang magpapaligaya sa iyo, di ba? Happy birthday again.
Irma, happy 50th birthday. Sana manatiling maganda at malusog sa araw-araw. Happy birthday.
Madam Giveres Irma, happy birthday. 50th birthday, bata-bata pa.
Hi, Irma. Happy 50th birthday. I wish you a fantastic, memorable, and wonderful birthday, even if you're not here with us. May your celebration be full of love, gratitude, and happiness. Receive my hugs and kisses to you. Love you. Be well, be safe, and be blessed.
Happy 50th to my lovely and admirable inaanak. May you continue to be strong, resilient, full of energy and laughter. Lagi mo kami pinasasaya sa mga post mo. Ituloy mo lang yan, nakakawala ng stress. Ikaw na ang the best actress ng angkan. Stay safe and healthy always. May God bless you more. Hindi ka nag-iisa. Marami nagmamahal sa'yo. Isa na ako dyan. Ang number 1 fan mo, si Ninang.
Happy birthday, Mario. Wishing you good health, happiness in your married life, and always take care. Upload more videos. Happy birthday.
Irma, happy birthday! 50 years old ka na pala. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Neng. Happy 50th birthday. Love you. Miss you.
Happy 50th birthday. Opa, you will enjoy this day. Lord, hinihiling ko po na bigyan ninyo si Irma ng malusog na pangatawan. Mag-enjoy sana siya sa araw na ito. Thank you, Irma. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Hi, Irma. Happy 50th birthday. Wish you more birthdays birthday ko. Dasalan muna kami panson. At
Okay na?
Dada, nandito pa.
Happy birthday, Irma. More birthdays to come. Good health and God bless. So beautiful.
Mayora, happy birthday! 50 ka na! Pakainin mo kami sa masarap! Sana ay lagi kayong happy ni iyong hubby. Ingat ka lagi dyan. Miss ka na namin. Happy 50th birthday!
Happy birthday, Irma! God bless you! 50th birthday mo na, anak. Wish namin sa iyo, lagi kang malakas ang katawan at bumababa ang iyong buhay at kayo ay magsasama ng maayos ni David. Happy birthday!
Happy golden birthday, Tita Emma. I love you. Good happy birthday, Tita Emma. Stay healthy and beautiful. Happy birthday, Tita Emma.
Very good.
Happy birthday, Irma.
Nasa bayan? Nasa Canada. Hello? Oh, happy birthday! 50!
50 na.
50 na!
Wawa. Okay.
Happy birthday, Maring Gibertia pa. Welcome to the club. We are in 50s. Mag-55 na din si ako. Ilang tulog na lang. So, happy golden birthday. We love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Irma.
Hi Mars! Happy birthday! Mazal tov! Sabi nga admavesrim, kung kakayanin mo nga ba, bakit hindi ano? I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy that you're doing everything for your future, syempre, at syempre sa future ng iyong mga anak. I wish na good health. Syempre, yun ang pinaka-ano dyan, good health, and don't forget to pray always, kasi yun lang, siya lang naman ang ating sandata sa lahat ng ginagawa natin sa buhay. Kaya ako nagiging happy sa'yo kasi you're a strong woman. Indeed, you're a strong woman. So, kakayanin mo talaga para maging okay ang iyong future. Sana makauwi ka, makapagbakasyon ka na ulit para magkasama-sama ulit tayo dito sa Pinas kahit sandali lang, then balik ka na ulit dyan. Ang ano ko lang talaga sa'yo, long life, para ma-enjoy mo pa yung kung ano ang meron na plan sa'yo si Lord. Kaya dapat huwag mong pababayaan ang sarili mo. Happy birthday! Again, happy birthday! And we miss you na. Uwi ka na. And I love you. Bye-bye. Happy birthday!
A joyful, blessed, happy golden birthday, Hips. Praying for your good health, your protection, your provision and wisdom, and also for your family. This time, ito yung mabagal and yet mabilis, no? Marami tayong gustong gawin at ma-achieve sa buhay, but then mabagal na gusto natin makita yung ating mga mahal sa buhay. Always remember, live one day at a time. Always take care of your health, and always pray. Prioritize natin. Remember that Jesus is the only way, the truth, and the life. None of the things in this world will give us the good way, or give us the truth, or give us the life. So, you know that we love you,
And we're always here for you. Again, happy 50th birthday. Bye!
Hey, and hello, Madam Irma. Good morning. This is the day that the Lord has made. Happy birthday to you, and we sing Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Mama,
happy birthday.
Happy birthday, ate. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ninang Irma! I wish you a happy birthday and sana matupad lahat ng iyong wishes. And sana safe kayo dyan. I love you po. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mayora! Alam ko na kahit na malayo ka sa amin, masaya ka na ma-celebrate mo ang birthday mo kasi may kasama ka na. Wish ko lang sa'yo, sana lagi kang ligtas and magtuloy-tuloy lang yung blessing na nare-receive mo kasi deserve mo. Kiss ka na namin. Love you.
Irma, happy birthday ho!
Bye!
Magandang araw sa iyo, Nay Irma. Dahil birthday mo ngayon, isang mapagpala at maligayang kaarawan sa iyo. Magpalain ka at naway marami pang biyaya ang dumating. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. We missed you. Love, love. Say hi. Say hi. We love you, Nay Irma. Bye-bye.
Happy 50th birthday, kapatid! God bless you always from London!
Hello naman sa aking napakagandang pinsan at kumare na syempre kasing ganda ko. Happy 50th birthday, Mayora. I'm wishing you a year filled with good health, more blessings, and endless happiness. Just stay beautiful in and out. Enjoy your special day, because you deserve all the love and happiness in the world. I love you, I miss you, and happy birthday ulit. God bless.
Happy birthday, Mars. 50 ka na. Welcome to the club. Wishing you good health, happiness, and many blessings. Stay happy. God bless you. We love you. Miss ka na namin. Mwah.
Hi, Mamshi! Happy birthday! Kumusta ka dyan? Enjoy your special day. I wish you all the best and many more birthdays to come. Wish ko sana palagi kang healthy. Stay beautiful inside and out. Sana all palaging fresh. Sana makauwi ka na para makapag-banding naman tayo. Nakakamiss din yung mga biglaan nating galaan at saka yung mga kantahan natin sa inyo. Kung nandito ka lang, maaga pa lang, nandiyan na kami ngayon sa bahay ninyo. Basta ingat ka palagi, hintayin ko ang pag-uwi mo. Okay, love you, miss you, mwah.
Hello po, Ma'am Irma. Happy birthday po sa inyo. More birthdays to come po and God bless po. Lagi po kayo mag-iingat at alagaan po ang sarili. Yun lang po. Salamat po sa pag-support. Happy birthday po ulit.
Hi, Ma'am Irma! Anak Jacob! Nabati mo na ba si Ma'am Irma? Birthday ni Ma'am Irma! Happy birthday po! Ang dalangin po namin sa inyo ay mahabang buhay at kalakasan pa po ang ipagkaloob sa inyo. At syempre po, enjoy natin ang ating life. I love you and thank you sa laging pag-suporta. Happy birthday po ulit, Ma'am Irma!
Tita, happy birthday po. Ingat po kayo dyan palagi. Tsaka wish ko po sa inyo is i-bless po kayo ni Lord. And always be happy po. Happy birthday po ulit.
Hello po. Happy birthday po, Nina.
Happy birthday, Mama! Happy birthday, Ma! Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayong birthday mo kahit hindi mo kami kasama. And thank you sa lahat ng love and care mo sa amin. And sana lahat ng wishes mo ngayong birthday mo is matupad. And patuloy ka pang i-bless ni Lord sa araw-araw. And sana palaging okay yung health mo. Stay pretty!
Happy birthday, Mama! I miss you. Sana okay ka lang palagi. I wish you all the best. I love you. Happy birthday!